So this is how to cut and tuck after you have done your false rim. And on this particular one, I'm only going to do 2 rows versus 3, just because my weavers ran out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get these wet by spraying them. And this is a pretty tall basket, so what I want to show you is, because I don't want to be up so high that it's hurting my shoulders, after a while what I'll do is I'll take a milk crate and I'll drop it down, and I'll put that on top of it so it's at a better level for me, so that I'm not reaching all the time. So it's something you might want to try. Okay, so probably what you want to do in the back of this, and this is a little hard to see, but what I've done here, let's see if I can get this in here. What I've done here is I have done the false rim and the notch, and I want to tuck these back down. So on these 2, I'm going to get these wet and tuck them back down in here, even though it's not on top of that, but it's just a neater way to do that. All right. So I've gone around and I've sprayed this. So every other one, the stake that is on the outside, you want to bend over, and then the one on the inside is going to get cut flush. One on the outside gets bent over. One on the inside gets cut flush. All the way around. Okay? Now, that was over on top. Oh, good. Anyways. And it's not so critical in the front as it is in the back, where you're going to be pulling it. Okay. I'm going to do this all the way around. And like I said, on these 2 that are by the notch, I am going to, in fact, all these right here, I'm just going to pull down there so that you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right by that handle. I am going to cut and tuck, or actually I'm going to tuck. Do it again. Guess it pays to watch what you're doing while you're doing this. Okay. So those are like way too long. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to cut those about, what, 2-3 inches to go down. So what I want to show you is how these get tucked. Let's see if I can bring this down a little bit so you can see. All right. So what I'm going to do actually is I am going to open up that weave that's in there with a weave right tool, or in this case it's a birch tool, but whatever tool. Open that up, and then I'm going